Welcome back to Module 1 of our course, Library Marketing 101, Strategies for Engaging Your Audience. In our previous lesson, we learned about building a strong library brand and leveraging institutional support. In this lesson, we'll delve deeper into the importance of developing a compelling brand strategy that creates a distinct feeling associated with the library. A library brand strategy is like the heartbeat of your library. It's the essence of what you want people to feel when they think of your library. A compelling brand strategy can make your library communication more appealing and approachable, driving increased engagement with your users. Let's explore how to develop such a strategy. A well-defined brand strategy provides clarity and purpose to your library's identity. It goes beyond the services you offer and conveys the emotional and practical value your library brings to the community. Think of successful brand campaigns like "The library is the heart of the university." This campaign not only highlights the library's role as a knowledge hub, but also evokes a sense of warmth, belonging, and support. The first step in creating a strong brand strategy is to identify your library's unique identity and what sets it apart from others. Consider the library's mission, vision, and values. Is it a research-driven library with extensive resources, a student-focused hub with interactive study spaces, or a creative space for innovation and collaboration? Your brand strategy should resonate with your target audience, so understanding their needs, preferences, and aspirations is crucial. The most powerful brands evoke emotions and create a lasting connection with their audience. Develop a brand story that appeals to the emotions of your users. For example, share stories of how the library has positively impacted individuals' academic journeys or research endeavors. A well-crafted tagline can be the cornerstone of your brand strategy. It should be concise, memorable, and capture the essence of your library. A tagline like "Empowering Minds, Enriching Lives" reflects the library's commitment to empowering students and faculty through knowledge and resources. Consistency is key in reinforcing your library's brand identity. Ensure that your messaging remains consistent across all communication channels. Use the same tone, language, and visual elements in your website, social media, posters, and brochures. A strong brand strategy should be reflected in your online presence, as most users interact with the library through digital channels. Use your library's website and social media platforms to share brand stories, showcase resources, and engage with your audience. Library staff can be influential brand ambassadors. Train them to embody the library's brand and consistently deliver the brand experience to users. Encourage staff to actively engage with users in a friendly and welcoming manner. As with any marketing effort, it's essential to measure the impact of your brand strategy to gauge its effectiveness. Use surveys, focus groups, and analytics to assess how users perceive the library's brand and if it aligns with your intended emotional connection. Congratulations! You've completed Lesson 5 on creating a strong library brand strategy. A compelling brand strategy can transform the way users perceive and engage with your library. By crafting a brand story that appeals to emotions, developing a powerful tagline, and ensuring consistency in your messaging, you can create a strong library brand that resonates with your audience. Thank you for following along.